Hello friends, I'm Bims and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to show tabs on your screen. Maximum people knows this, but some people still don't know how to do this. And with this show tab button, you can make tutorial videos of mobile phones and all. So first of all, you have to go to settings. Where's my setting? You have to go to setting and system and developer option. If you don't have developer option, then you have to click on about phone and click continuous 5 times on build number like this, and go to developer option and scroll down, and here it is on the input section, show tabs. Here now I'm sorry now I will show you. Now I'm clicking on the screen and this is showing the tabs, and if you close this, then I'm clicking on the screen, swiping and clicking, but no tabs. And if I open this, now tab is showing. And what you can do with these tabs is, when you are making tutorial videos and all, that time your viewer will see where you are touching.